1. Nanotechnology. Nanobots. Integration into the human brain via brain-computer interface. BCI. Technology could connect humans directly to the virtual world, eliminating the need for gadgets like phones and calculators. Potential. Enhanced problem solving, access to infinite information, and seamless human-computer interaction. 2. 3D printing. Advancements. Beyond tools and homes, 3D printing could extend to transportation and even food, potentially addressing global hunger. Accessibility. Open source 3D printable files may make large-scale printing, e.g., furniture, weapons, commonplace. 3. Medical breakthroughs. Immortality. BCI technology could allow brain data, including memories, to be transferred to advanced humanoid robots, preserving the best minds. Disease eradication. Serious illnesses like cancer may be cured, though access to such technologies could initially be limited due to high costs. 4. Transportation. Self-driving vehicles. Fully automated cars could reduce traffic deaths and free up time for passengers. Hyperloop. Elon Musk's Hyperloop project aims for underground, high-speed, 310 kilometers per hour public transport, offering a cleaner, faster alternative. Renewable energy. Transition to sustainable fuels like ocean thermal, wind, and solar energy to combat global warming. 5. Space exploration. Colonization. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin aim to enable human life on other planets, with space tourism becoming a reality for the wealthy. Environmental mitigation. Space exploration could offer solutions to Earth's environmental challenges. 6. Artificial intelligence, AI. Superior processing. AI may surpass human brain capabilities, revolutionizing the workforce and job market. Ethical challenges. Ensuring AI aligns with human values remains a critical hurdle. 7. Education. Digital transformation. Fully digital schools and online degrees will dominate, with AI-powered robots potentially teaching and grading science. Globalization. Education will become more accessible and interconnected worldwide. 8. The metaverse. Virtual reality. The metaverse will offer immersive experiences from virtual travel to shopping, all from home. Social interaction. While connecting people virtually, it may also contribute to physical disconnection. 9. Money and transactions. Cashless society. Physical money will likely disappear, replaced by virtual transactions and decentralized finance. Automation. AI-driven systems may handle tasks like grocery shopping, reducing human intervention. 10. Smart homes. AI integration. Homes will be fully automated, with AI sensing moods and needs. Interactive hologram TVs and mind-controlled devices could become standard.